Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. We are here for business environment presentation with my group members Priyansh Srivastav, Juhi Goyal, and Nishi Gupta. And our topic is 5-year plans. Introduction. Why 5-year plans were needed? After the British rule in India, the economy in India was very down. The British had left the Indian economy crippled, and the fathers of development formulated 5-year plans for India. Next slide. Now let's talk about who monitors these 5-year plans. The 5-year plans were developed by Planning Commission of India. Planning Commission was set up in March 1950. The draft of 5-year plan was published in July 1951 and it was approved in December 1951 with the Prime Minister as the ex-official chairman. Next slide. Now let's talk about first 5-year plan which was done in 1951 to 1956. First 5-year plan was made on December 8, 1951 with the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru presented as first 5-year plans. This was based on Harrod-Domer model. Facing India has three problems: the influx of refugees, a severe shortage of food, and also mounting agriculture. The first 5-year plans was based on totally on agriculture with the objective of re-enabling the agriculture objective and controlling inflation. Now my friend Priyansh Srivastav will continue the topic. Thank you.
A very good morning, sir. I am Priyansh Srivastav and I am here to give the presentation on the topic is 5-year plan of India. So I am just continuing with the second 5-year plan of India from 1956 to 1961. So the second 5-year plan is developed by the Professor Mahalanobis. The focus of second plan was rapid industrialization, especially the development of heavy industries and capital goods like iron, steel, chemical, etc. and the machine building industries. So the third 5-year plan of India is 1961 to 1966. The primary goal of the third plan was establish India as a self-reliant and a self-generating economy. However, the second plan had slowed the rate of growth of agriculture production in the country, which limited India's economic development. Therefore, the third plan included agricultural development as one of its objects to achieve balanced regional development. Unfortunately, the period had many misfortunes which drained the fund: Indo-China War in 1961 to 1962, Indo-Pakistan War in 1965 to 1966, and also a severe drought-led famine in 1965 to 1966. Therefore, the plan could not meet its objectives. Fourth 5-year plan of India in 1969 to 1974, there were two principal objects of the plan. First one is growth with stability and second one is progressive achievement of self-reliance. It aimed at a 5.5% average growth rate of the national income and also the provision of the national minimum for the weaker section of the society like Garibi Hatao or growth with justice. However, another Indo-Pak War in 1971 to 1972 created a financial crunch for the plan. After that, fifth 5-year plan of India from 1974 to 1979, the plan had two main objectives. First is the removal of property and achievement of self-reliance. This was planned through the promotion of higher growth rates, better income distribution, and also a significant increases in the domestic rate of saving. It also focused on import substitution and export promotion. Further, it included a national program on minimum needs like housing, drinking water.
Oh, very good morning, sir. I am Juhi Goyal and I will continue with sixth 5-year plan that has been started from 1980 to 1985. This plan focused on socio-economic infrastructure in the rural areas. Further, it tried to eliminate the rural poverty and reduce regional disparities through IRDP, that is Integrated Rural Development Program. Next slide. Now, seventh five-year plan that has been started from 1985 to 1990. During the sixth five-year plan, the country enjoyed reasonable rate of economic growth, that is 5.4%. The seventh plan focused on the production of food grains along with the creation of employment and overall productivity. Now, eighth five-year plan that has been started from 1992 to 1997. The eighth five-year plan was scheduled to be introduced in April 1990, but there was many changes in the government at the center. Finally, in 1992 April, the eighth five-year plan was introduced. At that time, India was facing the severe economic crisis, and the government initiated economic reforms to provide a new dynamism to the economic. Next slide. Now, the ninth five-year plan that has been started from 1997 to 2002. This plan basically focused on safe drinking water, public housing, primary health care, and universalization of the center, and universalization of primary education, etc. Now, the further slides will be continued by Nishi Gupta. Thank you.
10th Five-Year Plan of India 2002 to 2007. Monitorable target for few key indicators: level of development beside double the per capita income in 10 years, emphasis on the social sector, health, education, etc. Next, 11th Five-Year Plan of India 2007 to 2012. Focus on distant education, convergence of formal, non-formal, distant and it education, institutional, rapid and exclusive growth. Target growth 9% and growth achieved 8%. Next, 12th Five-Year Plan of India 2012 to 2017. As per the deferred document released by the Planning Commission, aims at a growth rate of 8%. 5-year plan focus on growth which is faster, exclusive, sustainable than conclusion. The idea was to plan public spending for equitable growth rate, then living expenditure plans played a great role in lifting India's social sector and building and having industries.